Fellas, if your birth year starts with a 19, you're done climbing up into the engine bay, your pickup, you're gonna need something that's gonna be easier on your back and give you better access. So this is the Traxion NXT Topside Creeper. I've had this for a couple months now, and before I did this video, I wanted to make sure that I was able to do installations, maintenance, and general cleaning to really get an idea of just how versatile this is in the garage. For all of us that do our own work, we know that jobs that are supposed to take 20 minutes or an hour end up taking multiples of that, depending on tools, time, access. This has been a real game changer for me. I'm gonna go over some of the different features that it has that I really love. So first off, adjustability. This has a range of, I believe, 48 inches to 64 inches high that you're gonna be able to have access to. This is my 2018 F250. It has a 2.5-inch level kit. It's on 37-inch tires. It's up there, you know. Before, to do anything, I've got a ranch hand, so I would do the big climb up, and this is how I was. Really uncomfortable on the knees, especially on your back. Not having places to put your tools. This right here, especially when I did this intake manifold install, it got to be such an inconvenient pain. So, up and down, not to mention the danger factor of hurting yourself. This Topside Creeper really changes all of it. So, installation out of the box, I think it took me 20, 25 minutes. Wasn't bad at all, simple hand tools. If you're doing your own maintenance, you can definitely put this together. You're gonna adjust the slide rail, this ladder, to whatever height you need. This one, I've got 2 more click settings for the locks. This is the height that I like. You've got locks on the wheels. So once you get the Topside Creeper where you want it, just gonna lock those down. You're sturdy, right? So installation wise, you're also gonna get these little foam pads, and these are going to keep any scratches from happening. You're still gonna wanna be careful when you're rolling up, especially on the side with your fenders that are painted. But as you can see, really convenient ladder to get up to the top. Couple things here. You have a big pad. This is gonna be for your stomach, midsection. This is where you're gonna spend the majority of your time when you're working, right? Now, a minute ago, I mentioned that having your tools, right? Like, yes, you can put your a work tray up here, but they've got this pocket. So if you're working with, you know, just a couple of them, your socket, grab you an extension, socket wrench, being able to conveniently keep your stuff here and work with it, not setting it over to the side, losing them in the engine bay. This is really nice, right? So again, positioning, I weigh 220 pounds, okay? So I believe the weight rating on this is well higher than that. Super comfortable, really convenient. I could sit here for as long as I needed, wrenching, getting to stuff, especially in these engine bays. You know, even if you're doing general maintenance, messing with your fuel filter that's up here in the engine bay, if you're gonna do something like a CCV reroute, you know, these are all the way back underneath the cowl. Being able to have access and comfortable access was really important to me, okay? So, otherwise, this isn't just for a truck. You know, if it's down in that 48-inch, that lowest setting that it has, you could be engine bay of a regular car, and then you could go significantly higher. One thing that I really liked about this also, I mentioned, you know, on the maintenance side, cleaning. This truck's really tall. I'm 6'3", and it's still a real pain for me to be able to get up onto the roof. This truck has the big panoramic sunroof, moonroof. When I'm washing the truck, to be able to make sure that there's no streaks up there, or when I'm waxing it, put this all the way in the top setting, and it gives me clear access up to the top. And when I lock those wheels, I don't have to worry about scratching my paint, moving around. So that's something I really like. Now these are new. From what I was told, they didn't always have these pads on the 90. And right here, I'm gonna show you why this is so important. This is sharp, you know, it's aluminum, basically like 90-degree pointy angle iron. So when that's where your midsection was sitting, that could get uncomfortable when you're, you know, bent over and leaning up here onto the pad. So now they have these corner pads. You got a little Velcro, locks right in place. Same thing for the foam, you know, just trying to make it as comfortable and convenient for all of us DIYers as they could make it. This company's been in business for a long time. I've never owned one of these. So hell, I didn't even know what they were called. If you remember a few videos back, if y'all watched the channel, I was asking, I was like, hey, what's that thing called? Seems pretty obvious, Topside Creeper. I had seen them at shops and dealerships. I just never owned one myself. Looking back on all the years of working on my own vehicles, I seriously screwed up waiting this long to get one. All right, so I picked this one up off of Amazon. They have 3 of them, I believe. There's the 100, the 200, and the 700. This is the NXT200. This size was perfect for me. That 700, I believe, is called Pro Series, and I think it adjusts up to 75 inches. So if you're regularly working on bigger trucks, higher trucks, maybe that's the one to go with. But overall, I'm gonna have a link down in the description as always if this is something that you're gonna wanna pick up for your own shop and your DIY projects. Really love this. Wanted to make sure that I got a bunch of time on it before I came and made a video. All you guys are doing your own work on your pickups. I know you're gonna love this, so check it out.